Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus UX582H. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus UX582H only works when plugged in, it's likely that your battery is failing. This can happen due to age, wear and tear, or even a manufacturing defect. If left unrepaired, you may find yourself unable to use your laptop on the go, which can be incredibly inconvenient. Let's sort that out by replacing the battery. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a new battery compatible with the Asus UX582H. Begin by ensuring your device is turned off and unplugged. First, carefully insert the plastic opening tool into the gap between the base and the back cover of your laptop. Gently run it along the edge to release the clips holding the cover in place. Take your time, as applying too much force can damage the casing. Once you've removed the back cover, locate the battery, which is usually situated in the center of the device. You should see a few screws securing it in place. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, taking care to keep them safe for reassembly. After the screws are out, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. If there are any cables attached, carefully disconnect them by pulling the connector straight out without tugging on the wires. Now, take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Reconnect any cables first, ensuring they are seated correctly. Then, secure the new battery with the screws you previously removed, making sure not to over-tighten them. This can lead to damage, so a firm but gentle touch will do. To reassemble your laptop, align the back cover with the base and press firmly until you hear the clips snap back into place. At this point, before powering it on, it's a good idea to check that everything is snug and secure. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from returning, make sure to avoid letting your battery drain completely on a regular basis. Also, consider keeping your laptop updated and using it on battery power occasionally to maintain the battery's health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.